Hi everyone, today we are going on an adventure. We are going to learn about our Earth. The Earth is shaped like a ball, a really big ball. Can you picture it? Because the Earth is round, it's a sphere. This shape is important. It affects lots of things like the weather, and how day and night happen. We live on the Earth, we sail on its oceans, and we fly in the air above it. What an amazing planet we call home. Let's learn more about it. Imagine a giant line around the middle of the Earth. This line is called the Equator. It's like a belt around Earth's belly. But you can't see it. It's imaginary. The Equator divides the Earth in half. The top half is called the Northern Hemisphere, and the bottom half is called the Southern Hemisphere. The Equator is a very special line. It's the hottest part of the Earth. That's because it receives the most direct sunlight. How hot would that be? We live in a hemisphere. Remember, the Earth is divided into two halves, the Northern Hemisphere and the Southern Hemisphere. The Northern Hemisphere has places like North America and Europe, and Asia too. The Southern Hemisphere has places like South America and Australia and Africa. The hemispheres have different seasons. When it's summer in the Northern Hemisphere, it's winter in the Southern Hemisphere. That's because of how the Earth tilts on its axis. Now, let's talk about directions. There are four main directions we use to find our way. We call them cardinal directions. They are north, south, east, and west. North points towards the North Pole. South points towards the South Pole. East is where the sun rises, and west is where the sun sets. We can use a compass to help us find these directions. It's a handy tool. Knowing these directions helps us read maps, and it helps us explore the world around us. So, there you have it. We've learned about the equator, hemispheres, and cardinal directions. These are important geography concepts. They help us understand our world better. Now go explore and have fun learning.